Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of forestry machinery. From Rory Video showcases the raw power and precision of these incredible machines. Let's find. You know, folks, working in the forest is like life itself. Some days you're just trying to get through. But the important thing is, everyone goes home safe at the end of Holy cow, that was scary as hell. I'm so relieved he's okay. The Ecolog 688E harvester system offers unparalleled maneuverability and visibility in dense forestry environment. 415 harvesting head featuring Timberrite H-16 exceptional precision and productivity. This synergy not only maximizes crucial factors in demanding forestry operations. Who knew root removal could be so exhilarating? A mechanical ballet dancer, gracefully pirouetting through the soil, effortlessly lifting and rods and toothed roller work in perfect harmony, guided by the powerful independent hydraulic spectacle of power and precision. Man, this stump is kicking his butt. Don't underestimate the value of old. That Lamont 100 sawmill might have looked like junk, but with some effort and know-how. Remember, sometimes the best things in life are the ones we already have, before repurposed. You might be surprised at what you can achieve with a little ingenuity. This driver's got a donut on a trampoline. You can practically feel the tension through the screen. Will he make it? Folks, Petzolato's TM1200 and TB processing technology. The TM1200, with its 22 kilowatt motor, is up to 47 inches in diameter. Complementing this, the TB900, adjustable for output sizes down to 0.79 inches. Optimizing productivity for high-volume firewood operations. This happens to everyone, even professionals. The important does compact design fool you? This tractor has it all. Power? Check. A double check. Equipped with a robust AGCO power, 44 AWF and 500 Newton meters of torque, and paired with the Palms trailer and crane 7.86 and maneuverability, making it ideal for demanding forestry applications. But man, sometimes we humans make choices that leave me baffled. Why blocking a billboard? Whatever the reason, it makes you think, doesn't it? About Man, trees really have a knack for messing up your... Wow. Observe the precision and skill required to expertly navigate their trucks, loaded with lumber, across challenging muddy terrains. Driving in these conditions isn't for the faint-hearted post-harvest.